Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. Boy, has the market been going down even further, guys. So the market is down another 11.68% in the past 24 hours. And due to that, we're going to be talking about 4 potential altcoins to buy on this dip. Now, obviously, this doesn't mean you go and buy these coins right away. You should be doing your own due diligence, doing your own research, and waiting for possibly, a consolidation period where we see a turnaround for these coins and then a trend on up. Once we see a trend on higher, that's when we start to buy in on that dip and, get some more coins. So let's get into these coins. And also, we're going to be discussing some news that is going around the market and why everything is going down in the past week or so. Obviously, let's take a quick look right here and see Bitcoin is down about 14.5% to about $33,000 per coin. Ethereum's down to about 1,900, down about 22%. Dogecoin down 18% to about 29 cents. Even Cardano, Binance, Ripple, Polkadot, everything is down between 20 and 30% or so. So the market is taking a really, really deep dive here on Sunday. And, this could be some great opportunities for us day traders or long-term holders for the future. So let's get into it, guys. The first coin on our list that we're going to be potentially watching is going to be Chainlink. So you guys already know what Chainlink does. We've talked about Chainlink in the past and how this one could be a future coin to hold, and as the value of this coin continues to go lower and lower, it gets to be a nicer look for us right here and a nicer buy price for us. So this one is down about 35% in the past 24 hours, currently trading at $16.70. Market cap at around 7.1 billion. Now in the past week, this coin's down 60%, guys. That is huge. The coin was trading up here in the high 40s or so, about actually 50, 52 or so, $53 per coin. Now it's worth $16 per coin. So you guys can see how the crypto space is so volatile, and your coins can, get wiped out. Your value of your coins can get wiped out in a matter of days. And that's the dangers of crypto, obviously, compared to the stock market. The stock market is way more stable, and the stock market has a lot less volatility compared to these cryptos. So definitely a huge drop right there from the top, but obviously we're still trading at around what? We're trading around January prices or so, a little bit lower than January prices. So we pretty much wiped out the past 5 or 6 months worth of gains, and now we're at the bottom. Now for all those people that were buying this coin at $20, $30, even $40 that thought that Chainlink was going to continue to go higher, why would you not be buying this coin at $16? I want to know actually the truth. If you were willing to buy it at $30 or $40 per coin, why are you not buying it on this dip at $16 and maybe even $10 if it goes, lower than that? So if you're a long-term investor and believed in the coin, you should be buying this dip right now, because this is a, opportunity of a lifetime if you missed out from about 6 months ago. So that's just my opinion, obviously. You guys let me know what you guys think about that. Now, before we get into the rest of this video, guys, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. It helps the channel grow, helps the YouTube algorithm. So tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. As always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,800. Links are going to be in the description for that. If you guys want to join our membership for YouTube, click that join button, and also our Patreon, where we, do different special events as well. So let's get into it, guys. The next coin is going to be Polygon. So Polygon, one of our favorite coins in the recent months, and this one is getting hammered as well. It was staying up, it was doing pretty well for a past week or so, even though the whole crypto space was falling down. But now, Polygon, also known as Matic, has started to bring, that price level down even lower and lower. So this is, once again, another buying opportunity for anybody loading up for a future. This one is trading at 84 cents per coin right now, down over 41% in the past 24 hours. And once again, this is not something you would see in the stock market unless a company had crazy earnings or some crazy news came out about, something inside of the company, or some scam or something like that, because the stock will not go down 40% in 24 hours. You might see a stock go down, 5-10% based off of a market crash that we see, but a stock's not going to go down 40% in a matter of hours based off of no news, just a sell-off happening. So this is crazy. Market cap 5.1 billion, plenty of room for it to grow in the future. Volume in the past 24 hours around 2.4 billion coins. In the past week, this one's down 47%. We hit highs up here on May 18th at around $2.83. So that is about 5 days ago. 5 days ago, this coin was trading, 3 times higher than it is right now. Lost about $2 worth of gains right there. So massive loss right there. The market cap was around 15 billion. Now it's around 5 billion. So this gives it, a good buying opportunity right now for the future if you guys want to load up, and then hopefully, it gets to a higher market cap in the future and you can sell at a higher price, potentially $4 or $5 per coin. but obviously that's something you have to look into at first. Now on the 1 month chart, this coin's still up 139%. When we first started talking about this coin in April, it was valued at around 33 cents or so. So if you would have bought at the beginning when we first started talking about this, and if you guys are, tuned to this channel, that's why you should be subscribed, because we talked about these coins when they were cheap at 35 cents or so. You would have made some massive gains. And even if you weren't able to sell at the top right here in the $2 level, you could have sold in the $1 level. And even if you didn't sell at that level and you sold right now, you would still be up 139%, making some sweet gains on that. Now, in the past 1 year, this coin's up over 4,000%. And once again, that means $1,000 on this coin would be worth around $40,000 right now, which is just huge. It just shows you what type of gambling this can be. You're just throwing some money into these cheap altcoins and see which one bites, pretty much. And this one definitely bit for sure. And it was trading even higher up here, a few thousand% higher compared to where it is now. So this coin is definitely one to keep an eye out on for the future, especially if this dip continues to go and we see this trading at around under 50 cents or so. It's going to be very, very interesting to me, in my opinion, because we'll be trading at, levels that we weren't trading for a while. So definitely one to add to your radar as well, guys. The third altcoin on our list is going to be Litecoin, LTC. So we've talked about Litecoin in the past, and it's been doing very, very bad in the past few days, down about 27% in the past 24 hours. Trading at $133 per coin right now. Just, days ago we were trading at 300 or so. Market cap 8.9 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours is around 5.2 billion coins traded. And then if in the past week, this one is down 55%, guys. Like we said, it was trading at $309 and now it's trading at $133. In the past month, this one's down 47%, hitting highs here of over $400 at one point, guys. Over $400. And now it's trading at 133. And once again, this gives you that situation. If you were buying this coin at 250, 300, maybe even you bought at the top at 400, wouldn't it be, realistic to buy at 133? Because you're buying at a price that is way, way lower, over 60% lower than what it was, a few days ago. And it's pretty much a Black Friday sale, a discount. So a lot of people are scared right now and saying, oh, we're entering the crypto bear market. The bull market is gone. But this could be a buying opportunity. We've seen this happen in the past in the crypto space, as well as the stock market. Like when the pandemic started, obviously stocks pulled back down. Everybody was panicking and selling. But in reality, the people who bought on that dip in March and April last year, those are the people that are making a lot of gains on their stocks returns right now, because stocks went back up. Everything went back up huge in the past year or so. So this could be a great dip buying opportunity. Like I'm saying, in the past year, this coin is still up over 200%. Still good gains right there. 200% is a lot more than you get in the stock market at an average of around 10% per year. So it would take 20 years to get this type of return, and Litecoin did it in less than a year, and it was up even higher at one point, giving you over 500, 600% gains. So just right now, we're back to the levels where we were trading here pretty much in February or so. So we just wiped out about 3 months worth of gains. It's kind of like we went back in time, guys. It's like you got a time machine right now. You went back in time and you're getting the coin at a cheaper price and you're going to write it back up. That's pretty much what's going on right here, in my opinion. And, it gives me a buying opportunity for the future of these coins. Now, the fourth coin on the list is going to be Cardano ADA. This one is down about 29%. One of our favorite coins. We have Ethereum, Cardano, and Polygon, Matic. Those are our three favorite coins on the channel right now. And this one's down 29%, trading at $1.13. Market cap 36.4 billion, with the volume in the past 24 hours at around 6.4 billion. Now in the past week, this one is down 53%. But it still hasn't, broken those lows that we saw here on the crypto crash we saw about 4 days ago. It went down under $1.05. It was probably trading under $1. It just doesn't show it on the chart right there. In the past month, this one is pretty much flat. So if you would have bought, the beginning of, mid-April right there, you'd be pretty much flat. You'd be breaking even. You wouldn't even be down, which is a positive sign, obviously, as this coin was trading at around 250 just a matter of days ago. So massive losses. The market cap was over 70 billion, and it's pretty much wiped out half of that. In the past year, Cardano is still up over almost 1,900% or so, which is massive. Obviously, $1,000 would be worth around $19,000 on this coin right now. Still huge potential for this coin to continue to grow. This is just a small dip that we're seeing right now. Obviously, we're trading at levels that we were trading at last month. So we've lost about a month's worth of gains. So nothing major still. Now, if it goes under $1 and then goes under about under that 90 cents area and continues to go down to about 85 or so, that's when you might want to start getting worried, because it could drop like a falling knife all the way down to the 40s or so. And that could be a great dip buying opportunity once again. But that's obviously if this crypto bear market continues to roll and we continue to see another pullback in the whole crypto space. Now, next up, we're going to be looking at the news, guys. So we covered the 4 altcoins. Now we're going to be looking at the news, and then obviously we'll cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Now, crypto crash wiped out around 1 trillion this week. Now on Wednesday, we know a broad crypto crash wiped out around 1 trillion in market value, a staggering drop from 2.5 trillion just a week ago. Bitcoin, which accounts for more than 40% of the global crypto market, nosedived 30% to about 30,000 on Wednesday. We saw a recovery from then, and now it seems like it might go back under that 30,000 area once again. Now by Friday, like it says, it was around 37,000, but it was at highs of 64,000 just a month ago, and now we're seeing it back into the 32, 33,000. If it goes into the 20s again, it could be very dangerous. Now volatility is baked into the nascent cryptocurrency market, but the digital assets' explosive growth in the past year has attracted hordes of amateurs and professional investors looking for a quick profit. Many of them ride an upswing and get out, or panic sell when things turn sour, accelerating gains or losses. And this is where we're at right now. Now, this week, a combination of factors, including the government warnings about, increased regulations and tweets from influential market movers like Elon Musk, added fuel to an already jittery market. So what happened? The crypto market had been, especially shaky for about a week before the crash on Wednesday. On May 12th, Bitcoin fell about 12% after Elon Musk, said that, Tesla will not be accepting Bitcoin as payment anymore, and people started to panic sell. Then the big crash came obviously on Wednesday after the Chinese officials signaled a crackdown on crypto in the country. Now, the central bank issued a warning to Chinese financial institutions and businesses not to accept digital currencies as payment or offer services using them. Now, the threat of increased regulation triggered a panic, and Bitcoin plunged before rebounding very quickly, actually hitting highs right there for that day. Now, other cryptocurrencies also tanked. Ethereum fell more than 40%, while Dogecoin and Binance lost around 30% of it. Now, by Thursday, Bitcoin had recouped some losses and was back to about 41,000 per coin. But a Friday statement from Chinese officials once again reiterating that the need to crack down on the cryptos, beaten Bitcoin back down. It was trading around 37,000 on Friday afternoon. Other cryptos were also red. Then we saw a little bit of a flat day on Saturday, and then boom, Sunday once again we're falling back down. Now obviously officials declared in 2013 that Bitcoin was not a real currency and banned financial and payment institutions from using it. Individuals can hold or trade cryptocurrencies, but major exchanges in mainland China have been shut down. So all of this news is not actually huge news. China already did this in 2013, and I believe in 2017 again. So people are just getting scared right now, in my opinion, because of the news headlines, I guess you could say, because they're not familiar with what has happened in the past. And this has already happened. China has already banned Bitcoin in the past. So people are, selling off right now. And I think that the big, whales and the bag holders are taking profits. And now they're going to be waiting for that dip bottom and buying it up. And then we're going to get stuck buying at the top again. So definitely be careful what you're doing out there, guys. Oh boy, let's take a look at Bitcoin, the big dog right here, down about 15% almost, currently trading at around 33,000 per coin. And like we said, this is where the dangerous area comes. If it goes under 30,000, we could see a broader sell-off, which is not going to be a good thing, obviously. The market cap is around 614 billion, which is crazy because Ethereum was trading at around 400, 500 billion market cap. If I'm not, correct, leave a comment below letting me know. I believe that Ethereum was trading around 500 billion just like 2 weeks ago. And look at now, Bitcoin is down to that level while Ethereum's plunging even lower now. So this is crazy to see how much, Bitcoin has pretty much lost 50% from the all-time high that it hit of around 64, 65,000 in April. So Bitcoin has been hammered hard, but it's still up for the year. Volume in the past 24 hours, 57 billion. In the past week, down about 30%. In the past month, 36%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, the coin is still up 257%. So anybody that got in, a year ago or so, you're still in the green. And even if you bought here in January time period, you're pretty much flat or breaking even on most of the times, as the coin was trading in the 30s right there. So like I said, if it goes under the 30,000 area, we have, a huge gap to fill all the way down to about 20,000 or so, under 20,000. And that's the dangerous area right there. So we're going to be definitely keeping a close eye out on Bitcoin in the next few hours and the next few days to see what happens, for potential dip buying opportunities if it continues to go lower and lower. Now, Ethereum, I can't believe that Ethereum is dropping so much, right now. We were at highs of about $4,400 per coin, and now the coin is trading at around 1,900. It was even trading a little bit lower earlier in the day. So these, are lows that we haven't seen in a while, down about 23%. Market cap 221 billion, guys. Like I said, Bitcoin is trading where Ethereum was just a month ago. So volume in the past 24 hours, 40 billion coins. In the past week, this coin has wiped out almost 50% of its value. It hit lows down here of about, 1,800, I believe. That was the low right there that we saw. Yeah, 1,800 on May 19th. And we're pretty much back at that level right now, and it might continue to go even lower. If we see this coin go under 1,500, 1,200, even 1,000, it might be time to load the boat. I think it's going to be time to load the boat at $1,000 per Ethereum. That would be crazy to see. Now on the 1 month chart, Ethereum is down about 20%. But on the 1 year chart, Ethereum's doing way better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's what, 250%? Ethereum's up 800%. So Ethereum was trading around $200 just about a year ago. And then we were trading at highs of about 4,400 right here. But let's take a look at this, guys. Do not panic, because Ethereum is trading at the levels we were trading around 1 month ago. So all that happened now is pretty much we wiped out that huge bull run we had since the mid-April or so. So the coin's trading where it was a month ago, so it's nothing crazy. The coin's still doing great. Obviously, the run we had in April and going into May was huge. The coin went up 100% or so, and now it's selling off, cooling off. Now we might see a cool off. We might see some people buy up the dip and then trend a little bit higher, maybe to the 3,000 area, and then we might see another sell-off again. But that's just my prediction. What I think it could happen, this coin could definitely continue to go lower, and we might see it under $1,500 in the next few weeks. And then we have Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin, the meme coin, we always discuss this one, obviously. 29 cents per coin right now, down about 18% in the past 24 hours. Market cap at around 37.7 billion in the past week, down about 42%. But the lows that we saw here on, around 20 cents or so, actually, on the May 19th, 21 cents. The coin's still up higher than that level right there. But in the past month, this coin's up still about 11%. On the 1 year chart, over 11,000%. Dogecoin obviously is going to have these fluctuations going up higher, lower throughout the rest of 2021. And obviously, if the whole crypto market continues to crash, Dogecoin is going to continue to pull down lower. And like I said, I've been saying this for a month. If you were up a lot on Dogecoin making life-changing money, you should have taken profits. You should have sold at least 50% of your holdings and, played with the rest of it, I guess you could say, and seen what happens. But if you held, and continue to hold, you might be a bag holder now, and you might be down a lot on Dogecoin because you saw the hype. Just like with the GameStop situation we saw a few months ago, people got hyped up, bought at the high of about $400 per share, and now GameStop's trading under 200. Same thing with Dogecoin, trading at around 30 cents or so. So, you guys should have taken some profits. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for educational purposes. So before investing into any coins or any crypto or stocks, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, do your own research. This video was just showing if this crypto crash continues to happen, dip buying opportunities that we might see. This doesn't mean that you're going to be buying these coins right now. It's for the future if it continues to go lower and lower, and then we see some consolidation happening on these coins. So obviously, if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,800, links are going to be in the description for that as well. Join our Patreon, join our YouTube membership. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.